How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Well, I got the instrument cluster out of the dart and I got it disassembled here. And if you haven't seen me struggle in that video, I'll put a link up in the, I don't know, somewhere in the top. But let me show you what I got. So I got the cluster out, and one of the reasons I took it out was the speedo needle was stuck at about 85. It does have a 518 auto. It's a 46 RH. And the previous owner said that they had issues adapting to it. Well, all the research that I did, with the RH, you don't need a special speedo adapter in order, since it's not electronic, for the speedo to work. So that shouldn't have been an issue. But as I disassembled here, I just took the screws out of the back, and then the bezel comes off. And then, like I said, the needle is stuck there. Took this off. Now, I don't know if you can see this or not, but right here, there's a little tab. Well, I was just fiddling around with it, and I moved it, and it rested back at 0. Okay. So I moved it back this way, just playing around, and I could put it anywhere I want. When I got it, or when I got the car, it was stuck at 25. I find it hard to believe that this is all it was, is just that moving. I feel like there should be more than just that. Maybe I'm wrong. If anybody has ran into this before, drop it in the comments. But I don't see any other issue other than just moving that back so it rests. And the speedo should work, is the way I kind of see it. And when I got it, when I got the car, it was stuck at like 25. And after I ran it at the track, I buried the speedo, and that's when it ended up going to 85. So because of course it was 25, I ran about 100 miles an hour, 100 mile an hour trap speed. So yeah, I don't know. And then I also was going to change these to red, or change the instrument cluster color to red. I've since changed that idea, since I don't want to knock these out, and they're in such doggone good shape that I don't want to damage the factory cluster. So I'm just going to leave it factory color and go from there. I'm also going to paint the needles. I'm going to stick like a piece of paper or something behind and see if I can get some color back in the needles. But other than that, is, again, if anybody has done this before, drop it in the comments. Am I on the right track? That is literally all it is this little prong here that has a little bit of spring pressure, just resting against that metal plate. So I also got to, of course, the adhesive dried up a little bit, so I got to glue that back on too. But it's in really nice shape, so I'm not going to molest it or change it any, other than just cleaning up some of the needles, brightening them up a little bit, and I'm not changing the color dash color. So I'm leaving them as is. So again, can't say it again. I'm gonna say it again. Drop it in the comments. Like I said, if anybody's messed with it before, just confirm this. Make sure I'm not missing anything. And I just find it hard to believe that that's all it is. So thanks for watching. Like I said, if anybody's done it before, let me know. Drop it in the comments, and I can get this thing back together. So have a good one, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.